Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Techfanciers, and in this quick video we are going to see that how to install Android PIE on ASUS Zenfone Lite L1. This is universal procedure to root custom ROMs and GSIs. So shall we? Now I'm taking the check is my device is rooted. Well, it is not rooted, so we need to. First we start with the requirement. We require two files. One latest Magisk Manager zip, and the second one is Magisk Manager installer APK or Magisk Manager installer APK. I will leave the link of both the files in the description, so make sure to download them. So once you have the file, reboot your device to recovery mode. Once it is rebooted, go to install and install the Magisk Manager zip file. It takes some time, so be patient. After the successful installation, reboot your device to system. After that, install the APK. Once you have installed the APK, just open it. You can see some update messages. Kindly update all. Now your device is rooted. Let's check it. Yes, it is rooted. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Kotmoto.